Corruption in Arkansas child support enforcement is not the only secret Mike Huckabee and Mike Beebe have. They got lots of secrets they don't want people to know about, and I'm one of them. I believe they part of a corrupted network of state, city, county, and federal officials motivated by greed, envy, jealousy, hatred, and racism, who forces me to live on the dark side of justice. I've been victimized so bad and so long by these officials. I believe there's nothing they wouldn't do to me to keep their corruption a secret, and that includes murder. Mike Huckabee and Mike Beebe were the two top legal advisors of the state, and I hold them responsible for the mental and abusive way these officials treat me. Judge Mackie Pierce is evil and the worst of the worst. These transcripts acknowledge a conspiracy by Judge Pierce, Attorney Claiborne Patty, and Linda's Title Company to steal my deceased aunt's will and property. Judge Pierce violated every indicia the Supreme Court recognized as fraudulent intent, and Mike Beebe allowed him to use the Attorney General's office to conceal his crime. This judicial finding against the judge found my allegations dealt with judicial discretionary acts or correctness of judicial order. I knew I needed an appeal to correct the record. Huckabee and Beebe knew the appeal would unmask corruption non-related to my case. I wrote all these people: John Blanche Lincoln, Mark Pratt, the Bar Association, Dustin McDaniel, and many, many more. Nobody would help. I called the police. They wouldn't help. I filed lawsuits and complaints in circuit court. Presiding Judge Tim Fox and Chris Piazza. Instead of them upholding laws they took a sworn oath to protect, they helped Judge Pierce conceal his crime, denied me due process of law, and helped Mike Huckabee and Mike Beebe keep corruption in Arkansas government a secret. They interfere with my ability to obtain legal counsel, so I learned how to prepare an appeal myself. I obtained this 2005 U.S. Supreme Court rule book. I compared it with the Arkansas rule. It was proper. I prepared every instrument in accordance to the rule, and I asked the court to allow me to represent myself. I obtained this 2001 edition of Brantley and House Arkansas Rule on Probate. I prepared case briefs. I assembled them with transcripts, orders, and facts I wanted reviewed. Mike Huckabee got a copy. Mike Beebe got a copy. And a copy was filed in the Arkansas Supreme Court. Mike Huckabee and Mike Beebe knew the appeal would unmask corruption in the Attorney General's office under Mike Beebe, in the Land Commissioner's office under Mark Wilcox, in the Circuit Court, in the Probate Court, in the Real Estate Office, in the Tax Assess Office, in City, County, and Federal Government offices. In 2005, Leslie Steen gave me these fraudulent Supreme Court orders. In 2005, I filed this judicial complaint. Since such time, I have not heard any more about the complaint. In July of 2005, Leslie Steen informed me by letter he was not going to file my transcripts. He denied me the right to the appeal. He denied me the right to represent myself. He helped Mackie Pierce conceal his crime. And he helped Mike Huckabee and Mike Beebe keep corruption in the Arkansas government a secret. A child support agency that fraud courts, fraud identity, and embezzle child support. Corrupted judges that steal wills, trust funds, insurance policies, and land and houses. Attorneys and title companies that conspire with them. An attorney general who allow government officials to conceal crimes and keep secrets. A land commissioner who changes deeds and extinguish people based on these documents. And judges and clerks that conceal crimes and keep secrets. They gave me this information and I became a threat. I know more than I should know about them. I know more than I care to. Since finding what I believe is this death threat, I have become increasingly afraid for my life and the safety of my family. These officials are so brutal. I believe they have conspired to kill me because I know the truth about them. All I ever wanted was my child support, restitution due me, and my property. In the event something suddenly happened to me or my family, I want everybody to know who did it and why. If I'm lying on them, they can sue me for slander.